Hello everyone and welcome to the part 3 of the video series that I have been uploading for the chapter The Happy Prince. I hope everyone has understood whatever I have taught in the previous lessons. So welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Divya Khati. So without further delay, let's dive into the story once again. So we had already finished till paragraph number 15. So I'll read out from paragraph number 16. The swallow plucked the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. It flew on until he reached the humble house in the narrow street. The boy tossed feverishly on his bed with his exhausted mother dozed over her sewing. The swallow hopped in and laid the ruby on the table. Then he flew gently round the bed, cooling the boy's forehead with his wings. When the child settled comfortably to sleep, he flew away again. He returned to the happy prince and told him what he had done. It's odd, he said, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. Okay, that is because you have done a good action, said the prince. Okay, so what happened previously हामीले previous chapter मा के पढेको थियो previous part of the video मा के पढेको थियो के भन्छ ह्याप्पी प्रिन्सले चाहिँ भनेको छ उयो स्वालोलाई टु टेक हिज रुबी एन्ड टेक इट टु द हाउस of the poor woman because her child is sick. Okay, so what the swallow agrees to help the happy prince and he takes the ruby and goes to her house हैन अन्त त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ he puts the ruby on the table. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि त्यहाँ गएर उले के देख्छ the mother, okay, the poor woman has fell asleep, okay, and her child is very sick and because he's feverish हैन अन्त हामीलाई पनि यहाँ चाहिँ fever आउँदा फेरि it's so difficult for us to sleep किनभने जिउ सबै तातिरहेको हुन्छ हैन so he was finding it difficult to sleep तर आमा चाहिँ छेउमा निदाइ पठाइस अरे. Then what did the swallow do? He went near the boy and he fanned him. Okay, उसको फेदर्सहरूले चाहिँ यसरी हम्काइदिएछ अरे हैन सो द्याट त्यो केटालाई चाहिँ शीतल होस् भनेर. Then eventually the boy fell asleep and then the swallow returned to the happy prince. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि रुबी पुऱ्याइदिइराखेछ अरे. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ then the swallow said to the happy prince that I am feeling so warm now. Okay, I am feeling happy, I am feeling warm even though it's cold outside भनेर भनेछ अरे. The happy prince ले के भन्यो that is because you have helped someone. Okay, yeah, that is a very strange feeling, no, whenever we help someone हामीले जहिले पनि कसैलाई हेल्प गर्दाखेरि आफ्नो मनमा एउटा खुसी भएर आउँछ हैन अब त्यो फिलिङ आउँछ नि त we feel very happy when we help others, so we should always help others, right? So getting back to the story, he returned. Okay, paragraph number 19. When day broke, the swallow flew down to the river for a bath. Tonight I shall go to Egypt, he said happily to himself. All day long he flew about the town visiting the public buildings. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Now I'm off to join my friends in Egypt, cried the swallow. Swallow, swallow, my little swallow, said the prince sadly, will you not stay with me one more night? भनेर सोधेछ अरे. Okay, then the next day what happened? अब swallow पनि खुसी भएर त्यो रात he spent the night हैन. त्यहाँदेखि बिहान उठेर चाहिँ he went down to the river to take a bath. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि swallow ले के सोच्यो Okay, so tonight I am off to Egypt किनभने मेरो सबै साथीहरु गइसक्यो हैन त्यहाँदेखि म पनि आज जान्छु भनेर he thought. त्यहाँदेखि he flew around the town दिनभरि वरिपरि त्यो टाउनमा उ घुमेछ अरे. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ he saw what was there in the town हैन. त्यहाँदेखि बेलुका चाहिँ when the moon rose, he went to the happy prince and he told him that tonight I am leaving for Egypt. अब आज चाहिँ म जान्छु. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ happy prince ले फेरि के भन्यो swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not stay with me for one more night? के आजको राति तिमी मसँग बस्न सक्दैन अझै एक रात बस्न सक्दैन भनेर माया लाग्दो प्रकारले फेरि भनिस अरे. But I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Swallow, swallow, far away across the city, I see a young man working in an attic room. He is surrounded by papers, but he is unable to finish the play he is writing for the director of the theatre. There is no fire, and he is so cold and hungry that he can write no more. I will wait one more night, said the swallow. Shall I take him another ruby? भनेर सोधेछ अरे त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ द ह्याप्पी प्रिन्स रिक्वेस्टेड द स्वालो टु स्टे फर वान मोर नाइट किनभने चाहिँ हि निडेड वान मोर हेल्प फ्रम द स्वालो त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ उसले के भन्यो फार अवे इन द सिटी त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ एकजना मान्छे छ होइन he is writing a story. Okay, there is a young man, he is working in an attic room. Attic, what is an attic room? Okay, there is एउटा जुनै पनि घरमा माथिपट्टि हैन त्यो olden times चाहिँ people used to make an attic, like माथिपट्टि चाहिँ there used to be a small room where they used to use it like a store room or something हैन, which they called an attic room. So त्यहाँनिर एउटा मान्छे, एउटा young man चाहिँ attic room मा एउटा story लेख्दैछ हैन, and he is so exhausted, उ चाहिँ थाकिसक्यो, and he is very cold and hungry. उसकोमा उलाई पुरा जाडो पनि भइराको छ, and he is very hungry, he is tired, he doesn't have money to buy food, and he is writing a story for the director of the theatre. भनेछ अरे. Then the swallow asked, okay fine, ठिकै छ, म आजको राति पनि यहाँ बसिदिनु सक्छु. Shall I take him one more ruby? भनेर सोधेछ अरे. अझै एउटा रुबी उसको लागि नि लगिदिनु भनेर सोधेछ अरे. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ alas, said the prince, I have no rubies left, only the sapphires in my eyes. Pluck out one of them and take it quickly to the young man. Dear prince, said the swallow weeping, I cannot do that. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, do as I command, said the prince firmly. So the swallow plucked out the prince's right eye and flying swiftly to the attic room, dropped it down among the crumpled papers on the young man's table. Okay. सो के भन्यो, स्वालोले सोधे नि हैन, अब त्यो मान्छेको लागि पनि म रुबी लगिदिनु भनेर सोध्यो. त्यहाँदेखि व्हाट डिड द प्रिन्स से, अलास आई हेभ नो रुबीज लेफ्ट, किनभने त्यो ह्याप्पी प्रिन्सको स्वordको त्यो ह्यान्डलमा एउटै रुबी थियो, त्यो अघि त्यो वुमनलाई दिइहाल्यो. अब मेरोमा रुबी छैन. नाउ आई जस्ट हेभ सफायर्स बिकज आई अलरेडी टोल्ड यु द आइज अफ द ह्याप्पी प्रिन्स वर मेड अप अफ the precious stone sapphire हैन. I just have these two sapphires left with me भनेछ अरे. त्यहाँदेखि take one with you, मेरो आँखाको एउटा सफायर निकालेर चाहिँ लगेर त्यो मान्छेलाई देऊ भनेछ अरे. Then what did the swallow say? I cannot do that. त्यो त तिम्रो आँखा हो, म कसरी तिम्रो आँखा निकाल्दिन सक्छु? I cannot do that भनेर स्वालोले भन्यो. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ द ह्याप्पी प्रिन्स सेड डु इट भनेर फर्मली भनेछ अरे. भेरी स्ट्रिक्टली हि सेड गो एन्ड डु इट, गो एन्ड टेक इट, बिकज त्यो मान्छेलाई चाहिएको छ. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ स्वालोले हि प्लक्ड वान अफ द सफायर्स फ्रम द ह्याप्पी प्रिन्सेस आई एन्ड हि टुक इट टु द म्यान्स एटिक रुम. अन्त उसको टेबलमा गएर राखिदिएछ अरे हैन. The next day, paragraph number 28. I hope, without me having to tell you which paragraph number it is, I hope you all are following the book. So it's paragraph number 28. The next day, the swallow fell down to the bustling harbour. All day he watched the sailors unloading chests out of a huge ship and thought about his coming journey to Egypt. At moonrise, he flew back to the happy prince. I've come to bid you goodbye, he said. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? It is winter, said the swallow, and soon the cold winds will bring the snow. In Egypt it is warm and sunny. Dear prince, I must leave you, but I will never forget you, and when I return, I shall bring you two beautiful jewels to replace those you have given away. Okay, so अब अझै एक दिन स्वालो त्यहाँ बसेर ह्याप्पी प्रिन्सलाई हेल्प गर्यो. त्यहाँदेखि द नेक्स्ट डे द स्वालो फ्लू डाउन अगेन एन्ड he went down to the sea and he watched the bustling harbor हैन, wherever the ships come and they dock, it is called the harbor हैन त्यहाँनिर गएर चाहिँ he noticed huge ships हैन त्यो ओशन्सहरुमा चाहिँ large ships carry shipments हैन त्यो शिप्सबाट सामानहरु निकाल्दै गरेको त्यो स्वालोले हेरे त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ he thought of his journey to Egypt, then he also thought मेरो पनि अब इजिप्ट जाने काम छ भनेर चाहिँ then again at night he went to the happy prince and he told, now today I finally come here to tell you goodbye, अब आज चाहिँ म जानै पर्छ। त्यहाँदेखि ह्याप्पी प्रिन्सले के भन्यो, विल यु नट स्टे विथ मी फर वान मोर नाइट, अझै एक रात के तिमी मसँग बस्नु सक्दैनौ स्वालो भनेर भनिस्। देन स्वालोले के भन्यो, इट इज भेरी कोल्ड ओभर हियर हैन यहाँ पुरा जाडो हुन थालिसक्यो एन्ड इजिप्ट इज वार्म एन्ड सनी इज भेरी कोल्ड एन्ड सुन इट विल स्टार्ट टु स्नो राइट, देन इट विल बिकम भेरी डिफिकल्ट फर मी टु सर्भाइभ। अब म चाहिँ इजिप्ट जानै पर्छ, इट इज भेरी वार्म एन्ड सनी बट आई विल नेभर फर्गेट यु ह्याप्पी प्रिन्स भनेर भनेछ अरे। एन्ड वेन एभर आई रिटर्न फ्रम इजिप्ट आई विल गेट फर यु 2 jewels पनि म तिमीलाई ल्याइदिन्छु बिकज यु हेभ लस्ट yours, right? So भनेछ अरे। So अबदेखि so we'll stop here for today and the rest we will do in the next part. So see you all in my next video. Thank you.